Hey, what's up everyone? Okay, so there's a lot to cover since the last time I did a Strange Sounds Twitter page video, which was just probably a couple of days ago. First, a mysterious burning crater baffles officials in Mexico. Maybe it's another huge meteorite impact site, say the residents. A huge sinkhole, a burning sinkhole, has appeared in Mexico. So, what do you think it is? It's baffled the residents and baffled the officials of that area. They believe that it's a burning crater that was left by a meteorite. There are used to huge craters over there, but drivers using this highway were left baffled by a deep, smoking ground that was burning from the inside. Yes, the earth was burning underground. So far, officials have no explanation for this weird phenomenon. Check out this image here. And again, thanks to the Strange Sounds Twitter page and all individuals for uploading those images. Also, a magnitude 6.3 earthquake in just northeast of Laredo, Mexico. Hopefully there is no tsunami, they state. And since this was posted roughly a day ago, I would assume, unless there's been news of a tsunami, that it didn't. If it did, then I'll check that out in the news. But the 6.3 earthquake hit in Mexico. And just days after another quote-unquote false alarm missile warning or ballistic missile warning hit Japan. All over Japan, the people were warned of, and I do believe these are warnings, preparing, possibly maybe to see how quickly people prepare for these things or these sort of events. But I don't know. Something's going on regardless. After Hawaii had this false alarm ballistic missile warning, Japan got a false alarm ballistic missile warning across all devices in their country. So, one day ago, this rocket launch over Japan was so awesome that it actually baffled the sky watchers, and they posted, "Wow," as you can see there, this rocket launch that took place there. We've been seeing a lot of those lately online. And other news to share here. This is not Mars. Biblical sandstorm engulfs Mardin, Turkey, changing day into night. So a sandstorm, or a dust storm, of quote-unquote biblical proportions engulfed Turkey. These photos weren't shot by one of Mars explorations rovers. No, they weren't taken of Mars. They were taken here on Earth as an extreme high-wind sandstorm carrying dust from Syria and Iraq engulfed the province of Mardin, southeast Turkey, changing day into night, coloring the sky in red, and hampering daily life on January 19th, 2018. Accompanied by rain, the huge cloud of dust came down as mud everywhere. Widespread power outages have been reported in Mardin. The strong winds and heavy dust reduced visibility and air quality in the provinces of the following areas. And Batman. Apparently there's an area called Batman there. I've never heard of that. Anyway, all in southeastern Turkey. Let me know if you've ever heard of that area. If you've ever heard of Batman in the Middle East. An area, a province known as Batman. Anyway, all of southeastern Turkey is affected. The weather was so bad that disabled, unwell, and pregnant women in public offices were given a day break near the Syrian border. The sky turned even red, and parents refrained from sending their children to school. Flights between Ankara and Mardin were canceled. This is a video, and all rights go to all who uploaded this video, who are responsible for uploading this video.
Ocak var arkadaşlar. Göz gözü görmüyor.
So definitely amazing footage there, posted online. They stated it's night during the day. Apparently this was broad daylight. So this is a YouTube video you can look up as well. And this was another view of the apocalyptic sandstorm in Turkey. It came down as mud everywhere. It was mud and sand. And in other news here, 200,000 Saiga antelopes were wiped out by a mutant bacteria normally harmless in the animals' bodies. Back in 2015, they're just reporting this. Evening twilight over the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean near the coast of Tacoma Desert. The Tacoma Desert in Chile or Chile. This photo was uploaded by this individual. Very nice sunset there. Or a twilight picture. And the first tornado of 2018 has been reported in the United States. Touchdown during a rare storm in Amelia County, Virginia. It was an EF1 tornado. And the biggest wave surfed by Hugo Vio at Nazaré, Portugal. Videos show the wave, dubbed Big Mama. Big Mama was 35 meters high. That's a large wave there. So that wave was 114 feet. And hold on, it's 11:11. Okay. Another news article here is Android users, the newly discovered and newly discovered virus, Skygo Free, is among the most powerful spyware on Android, and it steals your messages from WhatsApp and other apps. It steals your messages and information, and this malware is on Android. So look out for that. More than 250 shallow earthquakes have shaken Reno, Nevada in 7 days. Is this a warning for larger events to come? That's a lot of earthquakes within 7 days for Reno, Nevada. And the Earth is entering a stream of fast-moving solar wind on January 20th, that's today, flowing from a crescent-shaped coronal hole in the Sun's atmosphere. G1 class geomagnetic storms are expected during the next 24 hours with beautiful aurora colors. So when these highly charged particles from the CMEs or coronal mass ejections take place and they speed towards Earth at fast rates, they create these beautiful lights in the northern and southern areas of the Earth when they react with the aurora borealis. And what the magnetosphere doesn't stop with these particles, they react with the aurora borealis, creating these beautiful northern lights, and they create a magnificent display, a display of beautiful colors. So these are some of the images coming in. right now. And this is all of the news to report for right now regarding the Strange Sounds Twitter page. And I thank them for uploading all of these tweets. I just wanted to share them with you all regarding the different things taking place in the world around us. So much love and peace. Bye.